Hello and welcome to the press conference of the Blockchain and Cryptocurrency Awareness Tour. Stay tuned as we bring you more details. I am Blessed Nokori and this is First News Nation.
This BCAT event is a blockchain and cryptocurrency awareness conference targeting young people to help them understand the opportunities and the advantages of getting into the blockchain and crypto technology at this very early age, and how they can apply them to get better opportunities for their careers, whether they want to be blockchain developers or they want to work in the blockchain industry. Because blockchain technology, being one of the most innovative technologies of the fourth industrial revolution, is creating opportunities for anyone anywhere in the world to make a lot of money, either as a product curator or someone who is working in that industry. And we have seen how many much lives have been transformed through this technology all over the world.
So I work for Binance, yeah, so like I'm friends for them. So we're here basically to show the youth, the young people. I stand for the women because if you check around, you can see mostly men everywhere, and there are not really women in this space. So I stand like it's just here to like an awareness tour, show people the opportunities in the space. And when I talk about, I mean like trading, I mean influencing. I'm an influencer. I get paid for all of this. People just think it's just trading. It's just you can be a content writer, you can be a promoter on social media, you can promote coins, you can be a web, you can even be a photographer, you can do you can be a presenter, like you can do anything. And so that's what BCAT is basically here to do in Enugu. And I wanted to start with somewhere that has been untapped because we are flew down here and most people will say, okay, you'd have done in Lagos, but we wanted somewhere untapped where they have a lot of young people. Like we have the UNN, unemployment. We're all young people. There's no job anyway. The government is not even helping matters and all.
Yeah, first you can be an art collector, NFT collector. You can be a content creator. You can be a graphic designer. You can be an animator. You can be a whole lot, a whole lot. There are a lot of things that you can be around this space. A whole lot of opportunities, just for people to know. Because apart from trading Bitcoin, selling Bitcoin, there are other things like you can also use blockchain to store records in school, like the issue of seeing people arguing on something. You can use blockchain to store records. Like we have issues of someone saying that he finished the school, he didn't finish the school, he had the certificate, he or she did not have this certificate. But with blockchain, it's very easy. So it killed doubt. So once the public understand blockchain, you can also use blockchain for election. So there won't be any form of rigging or anything. You can also use blockchain for land registry. So that someone will not come after 10 years and tell you that this land belongs to me. My father told me that my uncle owns it or I owns it or something. So with blockchain technology, people can achieve a lot.
BCAT events, I think, to show the people that crypto is more than only trading coins. It's an education platform. There's a lot of education being done, a lot of lectures being given. A lot of show off what more crypto brings and contributes to society. I think it does contribute. You see it in our project. If you look at our project Bob, you will see that we do much more than only trading coins. It's a project. There's a company behind it. A lot of people think it's only about trading coins and making money in trading. But yeah, the blockchain delivers much more to society than we think. It brings entertainment, what you can see. It brings security. It brings transparency. It brings shareholder structures. It makes financial structures. It's much more than only just trading coins. And I hope that BCAT can help to show the world. And that's what also one of the reasons that we're there with a physical product where people can really enjoy seeing our product, being a shareholder in our company, being able to buy motorcycles with our coins. I hope we can contribute in that in Nigeria. We just opened an office in Lekki, Lagos, so I'm very, very happy to be here. Very honored to be asked for the event. It's a Binance event, so it's a great event. Happy to be here. At the end of the day, I hope to achieve not only in general for the people to show that crypto is more than only coins. I hope, of course, that people will see Bob as a company, what we can contribute to make it electric motorcycles in this country, that are able to lease it out here. We can give much better conditions than the current polluting motorcycles. I hope that we can contribute in that way and that we can make a few good deals here with companies that they can show, hey, this is a crypto-related company that is just a physical product. And that's what I hope to accomplish here.
Essence of being part of this event is for us to be able to create aggressive awareness across Nigeria and other parts of Africa to let people know and to understand that blockchain technology is not a threat to us. It gives more opportunity to the younger generation, and like Mr. Chuta said, even the older generation has a lot to learn and to gain from this opportunity. And what I just want to say, and is a direct message to all Nigerians, we now have a new opportunity in our hands. Technology has a lot to offer to Nigeria. It can help to address most of the challenges we face in Africa. So nobody should try to stay away from it. If anybody is trying to deceive you or to tell you to stay away from it, it's from the bad use cases that some funny people are building around to play on the intelligence of Nigerians and Africans. Yes, and this is the reason why BCAT, I think, has been able to come up with this event. It's a blockchain cryptocurrency awareness tour. Cryptocurrency is just one of the use cases built in the blockchain technology. There are enormous other use cases that can be mentioned. NFTs, even in agriculture sector, there are several things, solutions that you can use to solve the blockchain technology. So I think that's all I have to say. Thank you.
I've not seen a movement, a solution, a technology that is able to change people's life as much as blockchain has been able to do. In the past 7 years I've been in the industry, I've seen people who finished up from school who were not able to get jobs, but currently they make money from the comfort of their homes with basically no certification, right? I've seen people get to learn by being part of conferences like this, and they see a new horizon of opportunity that opens up to them. And today they are employing new people, employing other people into the industry. I've seen people making life-changing money, doing legal things. But the funny thing is that in every good thing, of course, you will see bad players who take advantage of those things to perpetuate evil acts, and as such attract the attention of the government who want to protect people and their assets. And so this awareness tour is to help people to understand that the blockchain and cryptocurrency is not just about those negative aspects. What we are trying to achieve is to shine positive light on the positive aspect of the industry of blockchain, of cryptocurrency, and to show people the different avenues they can focus on.
We are here to let you know that there is life also on the blockchain, a very sweet one, a very robust one. It's not about this Bitcoin of a thing, it's a scam, no duamo. They will take your money for vanishing, as the case may be. It is because many of us are involved with the bad guys. I was also a victim, when I started the crypto, my crypto journey in 2016 after MMM, for those that understand Yoruba. So from MMM, we got to Twinkers, to Get Up Worldwide, MMM United, those. It was so difficult. But here we are today, and we want to also let others know, because we are in a society whereby if you create wealth for yourself, you don't extend to others, you may not enjoy that wealth. I was in Dubai recently, sometimes 2 a.m., 3 a.m., we are just going home, or we are leaving for somewhere else. But in Lagos, for instance, once it is 7 p.m., anywhere I am, I will just look for somewhere to lodge. I am not going home once it is 7 p.m. Because you know what may happen? A car could double cross you on top of and say, yeah, Oga, I want to collect your car. Or Oga, bring your phone, even while in traffic. It is because people think that they need to rob you to make money off you. Some feel like, okay, the best way to make money is to lure young girls into a hotel room, murder them, all those things that they are rubbish. You can make much more good life on the blockchain.
Blockchain technology is
that new type of technology that has come on top of the internet technology that enables us to store our data, not in a central location, but in different databases that are distributed across the world. And that method of storing is much more secured than the one where you have everything under one person's control. Because when it's under one control, you have what they call single point of failure. I'm sure many of us sometimes want to make a banking transaction and they will tell you that server is down, or you go to the bank and you want to make payment, or you want to go to an ATM or POS store, they tell you issue are not available. It's because the data are all stored in one central location. So it experiences what they call single point of failure. But when you have that data distributed in different databases across the world, it means that even if one of the server or one of the storage is not available, the rest can make it. So it takes away that problem of single point of failure. So it is an additional technology layer on top of what we already know. Of course, there's more to it than what I just explained to you. Okay, so but that should give you that clear understanding of what blockchain technology is.
We're here for Binance BCAT, and BCAT is Blockchain Cryptocurrency Awareness Tour. We're here to onboard newbies, old bees, young people, especially my fellow women. Because people think you look around this table, they're all men. So I'm the only woman here. So not to scare women and to show that blockchain is not just for men. Women have a voice here too. You can be a trader, you can be anything you want to be, basically. Not just getting scared that, oh, they're all men, because I should be scared that I'm the only woman on this table. But then, yes, so we're here to show the opportunities. I, for one, I'm a trader, I'm an influencer. I mean, it's not just trading. So we want to show people that that you can be a content writer, you can be a, what do I want to say again? An influencer, you can be a web dev, any skill you have, basically, just bring it into the crypto blockchain space. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Every good thing attracts bad players. So anything that you say that is good always attract people that will turn it into, because the bad people or the bad guys, they make a whole lot of noise. The good ones don't even have time. Like, I know how I drag, everybody's busy making their money. So if I can make money, why will I be telling you to give me your money for me to double it for you? I'll be busy with my own, making my own money. I'll be enjoying it. I won't even tell you to bring your money. I won't even waste my time because I'll be busy. So only that one alone is a sign that this person is a bad person. Is a bad person. Not that there is no company that does investment. There are genuine companies that also does investment, but you need to understand the reality. How much is bank giving? General, as in a year, bank can give you more than 6%. Why somebody will give you in a month for 40%? That person is a criminal.
It makes our lives more easy. We can pay each other, we can talk to each other. It's peer-to-peer. But that's also the fear of a lot of course, governments and authorities, that they don't control the people anymore. That brings the downside because it's uncontrollable, but on the other side, it's the good part, where people can do business together. If I want to pay, and that's at the end of the day with digital cash, the big advantage is if I do business with Tony, I pay Tony and Tony pays me, we do it together. There's no bank or authority involved. That's the risk for authorities because they cannot control our money streams. They cannot see what we do. That's the fear of a lot of authorities, but also will bring us the advantages if we can show the youth that crypto can be used for very good things, like we did. We used it now as a third dimension. We started the company, Bob. We started as a foundation 4 years ago in Africa with friends. And we started making a motorcycle company and want to make everybody shareholder. The traditional IPOs are almost impossible in the Western world. It costs too much money, it takes too much time. Your market is very small, you're local-ended, and you're located in a way that people from a certain country can buy your shares. But crypto is an international movement. And that's the joke, it's not only for young people, it's for old people. And my father, who's 74, thought it was very, very scary, till I showed him that crypto can be a payment method. and it makes life very, very easily. It makes us very easy to do international business. We can pay each other in a second from Nigeria to Stockholm, and from Stockholm to the US, you can do it in 3 seconds. That's the big advantage. And now it's a time that we have to show the world. And I think Tony is, with BCAT and all the education that they give there, is on the point that they are starting to learn and educate the people. Crypto is not only about just trading coins and stupid enough to sell him a coin and hope that he sells it for more to his neighbor. Crypto can bring and contribute much more to our society in a way that it can be used as the new cash and as the new payment methods.
That is all we have for you today. And more special reports you get only on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at First News Nation. I am Blessing Okorie.